Hello everyone, I am nutritionist Vidisha and welcome to my channel NutriFund. We all want to do something special to start our day in a healthy manner, and for that most of us drink a glass of warm water in the morning, and warm water is really beneficial for our health. Some believes that it flushes out the fats from our body, but no, it doesn't flushes out the fats from our body, but yes, it does a lot more than this. No matter which category you fall into as per your BMI, maybe you are overweight, underweight, or just normal weight, but still you should start your day with a glass of warm water. A glass of warm water in empty stomach have lots of health benefits like it improves your digestion, relieves from constipation, improves the blood circulation, increase metabolic rate, relieves from the pain during menstrual cycle, and most importantly keeps you hydrated. So why shouldn't we make this water more effective for our health just by adding something into it? Something special. Yes, my today's video is all about some magical morning drinks which you can drink in the morning in empty stomach, and also I will talk about their benefits also. So watch this video till the end and comment below how you like to wish yourself good morning.
Take a glass of water and boil it. Now add 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, and it should be fresh aloe vera gel, and stir constantly until the gel blends properly in the water. Now strain out the water so that it doesn't contain any solid particle, and have it warm in the morning in empty stomach.
This juice helps to cleanse our intestine, helps to maintain a healthy bowel movement, helps to reduce anemia, helpful to reduce inflammation, good for cardiovascular system, and as we all know, aloe vera juice is good for our skin and hair both. It is also believed that aloe vera juice is helpful for weight loss purpose also, and that's the reason why aloe vera juice became so popular in past few years. And if you don't want to make aloe vera juice regularly, or if you don't have aloe vera plant in your home, then you can buy aloe vera juice as it is very easily available in the market. Ginger tea is very popular during chilly winter morning for warming up our body. No, I'm not talking about that adrak wali chai.
Add 1 teaspoon grated ginger in the boiling water and let it steep for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain out the water and have it warm in the morning in empty stomach.
This ginger tea helps to relieve from nausea, motion sickness, and pregnancy-induced morning sickness, and it helps to relieve from stomach upset. Fenugreek water is very helpful to regulate our blood glucose level. It is also act as an antacid. It helps to relieve from the problems related to gastritis and bloating. And last but not the least, fenugreek water is very good for weight loss also. It is excellent for boosting metabolism.
1 teaspoon fenugreek seed in the boiling water and leave it for overnight. Warm the water and strain it out and drink it in the morning in empty stomach. Process is same as fenugreek water. Add 1 teaspoon cumin and fennel in a glass of boiling water and leave it overnight, and strain out the spices and drink it warm in the morning in empty stomach.
Cumin fennel water is very popular nowadays for weight loss purpose. It helps to lose weight by increasing the metabolic rate. It is also helpful to regulate the blood pressure, reduce blood sugar and improve gut health. So these were 4 different types of drink which you can drink in the morning in empty stomach, and please comment below which you are planning to drink. If you like this video, then press the like button and share with your friends. And most importantly, which I always tell you, press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to it so that you get the notification. It's smart, go fit. Thank you.